Hey, straight up, I don't know what kind of lizard, reptile thing that was, man. But that thing was up on that dog. I mean, if that thing wouldn't have stopped, he could have caught that dog, man, and just chewed that dog down. I mean, just straight up chewed that dog down, man. He wasn't even scared of that dog like that. I seen some things run from dogs, not all things. You know, that one thing, I mean, when he leaped back and jumped at that dog started hollering. That dog started hollering, boy. He was kicking it, though. When he was on that dog like that, man, that little, I don't know what it was, like, I don't know what kind of lizard. There's so many different species of lizards now. That right there, though, that's like one of them Komodo dragons. Can't even pronounce it right. I mean, you know what I'm talking about. But it was a little smaller. It's in the family. It's in the family, but that baby was moving. See, that's something you don't want to just walk outside. One day you outside, you just say, let me go out here and check the mail. Or let me go out here and get in my car, and there's something out there like that, standing right there. And then you try to run, and that thing literally clunk on your leg right there, though, because he just that fast. An average human being would not run that thing, man. That dog got 4 legs, and he was on him. You know, it's just, I mean, and then he was so quick, your reaction time got to be just as fast. See, man, that's it, man. You got to have your stuff together, man. I don't know where that was at. I don't know what country that was in, what state it was in, but they need to report it. They put that on the news and inform people and tell people what state, what city that took place in, because people need to be aware of something like that. If you can't turn around and outrun that thing, you need to know where it's at and what you can do about it so you can keep your lawn. You need to keep your grass cut coming up next summer. I need to know where that's at. Somebody need to get do some research on it. I might try to research it and ask who videoed it. Ask what state that was in, so I can give y'all an update, because we need to know about that list.